Hey there. Want to learn Python in just a few minutes? You're in the right place. In the next 200 seconds, we'll fly through the most essential concepts of Python with real code examples. We'll keep it simple, fast, and fun. So if you're brand new or just need a refresh, buckle up and let's get started. First up, Python doesn't require a main method like Java or C#. You can start writing code directly at the top of the file, and Python will run it from top to bottom. There's no public static void main drama here, just clean, direct scripting. Of course, for bigger projects, you can define a main function if you like, but it's optional. That's part of what makes Python so beginner-friendly. Printing to the screen is easy in Python. Just use the print function. Here, we're printing the classic hello world message. Notice there are no semicolons, no import statements, just straight to the point. This is how simple Python can be. In Python, variables don't need explicit types. You just assign them. Here we have an integer age, a float pi, a string name, and a Boolean is fun. The print function can take multiple arguments, so we print them all in one line. This also shows how dynamic Python is. You can mix types easily. Strings in Python come with tons of built-in methods. Here we convert hello to uppercase using .upper, so it becomes hello. Then we use len to get the length of the string, which is 5 characters. You'll use string manipulation a lot in Python, so it's good to get comfy with it early on. Lists are like arrays, but better. They can hold anything, strings, numbers, even other lists. In this example, we print the whole list and then access the second item using index 1. Remember, Python indexing starts at 0, so my list 1 gives us banana. Tuples are like lists, but immutable. You can't change their values after creation. Here we have a tuple with mixed types, and we access the first item using index 0. Tuples are often used when you want to make sure the data doesn't get accidentally modified. Sets in Python are unordered collections of unique items. Duplicates are automatically removed. We print the entire set, then use a loop to access each item. Note, the order of items might change every time you run the program, because sets are unordered. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. In this example, brand, model, and year are keys. We access the value of brand using square brackets. This dict open bracket brand close bracket. Dictionaries are powerful and often used when you need to organize data with labels. Indentation in Python is not optional. It defines the code blocks. Here, the if statement checks if 5 is greater than 2, and the indented print runs if that's true. If we remove the indentation like this, we'll get a syntax error. So always use consistent indentation, usually 4 spaces. Functions in Python are declared using the def keyword. Say, hi, takes a name and prints a greeting. Add takes 2 numbers and returns their sum. Notice we use return to send a result back from the function. This is the foundation of writing reusable code. Once a function is defined, you can call it by using its name followed by parentheses. We call say hi with the argument world, and it prints hi world. Then we call add 5, 10, and print the result, 5 plus 10 equals 15. Conditional logic in Python uses if, else, and optionally elif. We check if age is greater than 18. If so, print you are an adult, otherwise you are a minor. Indentation defines what belongs to each block. This is how Python makes decision-making easy and clean. For loops in Python, often use range to generate numbers. Range 1, 4 gives 1, 2, and 3, not including the last number. So we loop 3 times and print the count. Perfect for when you know exactly how many times you want to loop. While loops continue as long as a condition is true. Here we start j at 0 and keep printing until j reaches 3. Each loop, we increment j by 1. Be careful. If you forget to update your variable, you could create an infinite loop. And that's Python in 200 seconds. We covered variables, strings, data structures, loops, functions, and more, all with working code. Remember, Python is one of the easiest and most powerful languages to start with. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel. See you in the next one.